I need you to leave this VC immediately, or I'll have you forcibly removed. Please leave this VC. This is your last warning. I need you to leave. Yeah, that's control. Okay, it's fine. Who's 2677997?
Leave your lights off, by the way.
No. Someone kick 2679. Someone kick this guy. And someone change his username. He's not a real escort. He's not a real escort.
Okay, guys, so I understand we're doing a ground stop. Is that right?
Correct.
Oh, no.
Okay, ground. I'm gonna need you to do your job. There's a dude. I think. What is he? Thai 7813. He's trying to like get.
Okay, so.
All right, number 2, start pulling out.
Oh, do I really have to wingsuit?
That's
Well,
the
some
only
people-
taxiway that they use for.
Number 2, number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3.
Alright, first of all, this is the only taxiway we have available to taxi over there.
Number 4, number 4, number 4.
Is 2697 with us?
Number 5. No. He's not with us.
Once we're in the air, I'll kill him.
Anyone without a colored name time is not with us. All right, everyone start taxiing. Everyone start taxiing.
Where's Tower?
Do I have to do a wingsuit? Shit.
Tower's gonna be in ATC 9.
Oh, dude.
Are we able to lock this VC? Tom said this is a not.
On the ground.
Go ahead. Up until the phone. There's no one arriving right now, so I'll be with you guys. Let's go. Fuck.
Mod just like completely like just like remove.
Oh, there's a
people,
Russian infiltrator.
Get him! This is the escort lead. I need you to leave this VC. I need you to leave this VC immediately. This is not an authorized VC for you to be in.
Well, they're good at hacking though, so like, wouldn't it make sense?
Yeah, facts.
Okay, who is?
Alright, copy that. Y'all are taxiing at like 60 knots, jeez.
I'm taxiing at like 70. I'm slowing down that way.
Okay. I need all you guys to slow down real quick. Especially the.
All right, everyone reduce speed to 25 knots.
Okay, can the RAF escort lead? Can you confirm the number of RAF escorts you have? So I know.
5, all with a color name time. 2697. That is not our RAF. I repeat, 2697 is not our RAF.
Okay, 2697 is not considered rogue. Okay, no problem. Okay, Trump Force 1, line up away 09.
Alright, buddy. Alright.
For the RAF Squadron escort, I'm gonna need you guys to line up and wait runway 09 in a 2-man formation. You guys are gonna be taking off simultaneously.
Copy.
But that's after the Trump Force 1 has taken off.
Yeah.
Sorry, I responded. My autopilot got unset. What is the altitude?
Okay, I'm gonna repeat out to autopilot commands, or what you should have on autopilot. Oh, what the hell? Mine got reset too. Alright. Everyone, go check your autopilot because I'm pretty sure everyone's is like broken right now. All right, altitude 15,000. I repeat, altitude 15,000. So everyone could just.
Trump Force 1. Trump break. Trump Force 1. Line up and wait 09.
And Trump Force 1. Line up wait 09.
Escort 5 confirmed we're going to be departing solo. Maybe that was okay. Alright, Escort 5, we're gonna be a last one and we're gonna be the only one, so I'm gonna go by myself, I guess, I assume.
Yep, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. There you go.
All RAF Squadron, hold short runway 09, do not line up.
Okay, sorry about that.
airspace should be good.
I could confirm the airspace is free right now for arrivals and departures.
Oh, my engine just got shut off. God damn it.
Are all arrivals holding right now?
There is no arrivals right now, but if not, center has them in a holding pattern. Unless someone
Hey,
wants to
okay.
relocate.
Break,
Yeah,
please,
look
break,
at Aeropilot. Look at Aeropilot.
They're flat. I don't know what he's doing.
All escorts. Please set speed to 250 knots on autopilot. 250 knots on autopilot.
And all routes air scores, you guys are going to be maintaining runway heading until further advice. So please bug up 09 or 7 for runway heading for runway 09. Thank you. And with that being said, Trump Force 1, wind 080 at 12 knots, runway 09, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading.
Okay, departure 09, fly runway heading, Trump Force 1.
RAF Squadron, flight of 5, I'm going to need you to line up and wait runway 09 in a 2-man formation.
Copy. 1 and 2 or escort lead in.
You guys may have a Russian be near you
3
guys.
is.
They will be shot down.
Hey, I'm 3
All right, number 2
and
line
I'm
up. Number 2 line
currently in
up.
front of everyone.
Number 2 line up. Number 2 line up.
Bro, why is this game? I'm just trying to say
Escort
Slavic
lead,
Ukrainian.
escort 5.
Number 2 line up. Number 2 line up.
Okay. I'm number 3. I'm gonna take off with Beast, I guess.
Escort lead, this is escort 5. Our heading is, autopilot heading is a bit weird, funky, it's not working properly.
Continue
All
runway
right,
heading.
break real quick. Trump Force 1, radar contact is established. Maintain runway heading
Pat,
speed
let's go.
250 knots.
250 knots, fly runway heading, Trump Force 1.
Disregard CRX, he's a dumbass. Alright.
RAF Squadron, I did not give you clearance for takeoff. Calm down.
Did you not just say clear?
I told you to line up and
That
wait.
was Trump Force. I had.
Alright, that's a my bad. That's a my bad.
Listen,
no other escorts.
all the escorts stand by. The first 2 aircraft, you guys are good to go.
RAP 269 or 7. So
Alright.
hold.
No,
one of
269 or
our,
7
These
is with us.
These
269 or
roads,
7 is not with us. I repeat, 269 or 7 is not with us.
one of our escorts
Alright.
have despawned. Are
Break.
despawning.
RAP 269 or 7 is now confirmed road.
Escort 4, are you despawning?
Yeah, my internet full went.
Go. Presidential planner advised Minorca Tower, we are aware that the aircraft has departed. We are receiving contact from Dakota controllers and your guys' status. So no worries, really no need to talk to me that much. Just have a nice flight. Let me know when you're entering the airspace. I can give you all radar contact and then you can land. I will be giving out IFR clearances, but I most likely won't even be giving people taxi clearances for the next few minutes. All right. Reiner 1228. Responder 3607, I'd like the airport as soon as possible for arriving presidential aircraft. Are you ready to copy your IFR clearance?
Ready to copy 3607.
Responder 3607, cleared Punta Cana via radar vectors. Departure climb 2000 and 5010. Departure with me. Squawk 344, correction, sorry. 3626, squawk 3626.
3626 for responder 3607.
Responder 3607, push and start. That readback is correct. Call for taxi.
We'll call for taxi in just a moment. Why did they fuck up the charts? Oh my god.
I'm just gonna vector you out of the airport, so I'll just give you headings. You really don't need any charts other than the taxi chart, which I can send
That's
you a
what I'm
picture
trying to
of.
find, yeah.
If you want, you can scroll up in the public ATC chat. Someone posted it, some writing on it, but other than that, you can use that one. Public ATC2 chat, our chat right here. You can just scroll up a little bit, up a few flight plans.
Yeah, I got it. Waiting for the engine spool.
Okay.
Oh.
Truck is going down right now. Rip.
We're getting close. Do you want to like descend to 10,000 feet or no? We'll wait for everyone. Okay. Fine. Okay. All rafts. All rafts. All rafts. All rafts. Does anyone not know where we are?
I have a visual on you guys.
Escort 5, we're a bit far off, but I see you on the tracker, so I should be fine in catching up.
Copy. Go ahead. Full afterburner.
Hey, God, acknowledge full afterburners, catch up, Escort 5.
Do anything you have to catch up. 15,000 feet.
I see patch.
Acknowledge, Escort 5.
Okay, now I see the tags.
And Escort 5, the autopilot, our autopilot on heading is not working as well.
We do manual heading.
Yes, that, but
Yep. Yep. Hmm? No, I'm Yep.
Thank
Okay.
you.
it's RAF 5.
Yep. Can I just stay in here? I mean, they can all move here. Okay, responder 3607. Radar contact. Say altitude pass. Responder 3607.
Wait for
Responder.
responder. I apologize.
Yes. What's your altitude?
1,000 Going to 2000.
Responder 3607, roger that. Climb 5000, your radar services are terminated, your frequency changes approved. You can just resume on navigation to Punta Cana. Good day.
Climb 5000, radar service terminated. Understood.
All stations. Minorca stepping away for a few minutes. Again, Minorca Tower stepping away for a few minutes for a private aircraft arriving. I'm ready. Presidential stations. This is Minorca Tower. Please state intentions.
Land.
Roger. Who's the priority aircraft here, so I can refer to all you
Trump
guys
Force
as
One.
one call.
Trump Force One. Trump Force One and escort lead, or RAF 8634.
Trump Force
Trump Force
1, turn right heading 09 or 5 degrees.
0905, cheers. Trump Force 1.
Trump Force 1, do you have the field in sight?
Not really.
Alright. Well, the field is at your, it should be at your about 11 o'clock in 2 miles. Let me know when you have it in sight and I can give you the visual clearance.
Trump Force 1, just give me 5 minutes here. I'm gonna descend 5000. I'm a bit high.
Oh, Trump Force 1, roger that. You are very high. Descend 5,000, please. You can... Actually, no, you can descend at 2,000, actually. Yeah, go down to 2,000, please, and you can resume your own navigation until you're there. I'm going to control the aircraft on the ground to make sure they're not moving, and then I'll be back in this waiting room shortly, alright?
This has gone so far, bro. I just wanted to fly in my fucking FedEx plane.
All escorts. Altitude on autopilot. Altitude 2000. Heading 95 09 or 5. Speed 273. 27 30. 30. Any repeats?
Escort 5 down to 2000, heading 0905 and speed 270, but I'll have to catch up with you guys first before I do this.
Oh, good. Increase your speed to 400.
300.
Knots.
I'm gonna turn right heading 180. I think it's more accurate because we can approach on 0.
180.
Yeah.
Turn right heading 180.
This makes
I'm
more
going
sense.
to
Trump
that.
1, may I have your altitude?
Just head 2000.
Thank you.
I'm using my rudder to slow down on my turning.
Yeah.
Real.
We're going to Tiviat or we're going to freaking Mancora?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
There's 3 of us
I'm
here.
right behind you. Yeah.
I've absolutely no idea.
There. I mean, South
I
is
finally
in
have
front
Trump
of
1
us.
inside.
And RAF 86. I'm just kind of on the side here.
South is catching up to us, but there's a Hawk T1. Hawk T1 is trying to get to us. No, one of the RAFs despawned. He got disconnected
All right, it's fine.
before we
All
could
right,
take
all
off.
RAF, all RAF. If you are near the formation, please increase your speed to match. Or increase your speed to catch up with the Air Force.
Yeah, I'm closest to Trump Force right now. 1910.
Copy.
Escort 4
Damn,
trying.
Patch. Yo, chill out.
All escorts. Increase your speed to catch up. RAF 50, I see you behind.
I'm gonna turn heading 305. Maybe
got-
can come.
Everyone turn heading 305.
After we land, I'm gonna call it quits.
Yeah, I was recording this
Yeah,
whole thing.
same.
I was recording the whole thing. This is.
It's been
I got
2 hours,
recordings.
30 minutes.
I've got been recording. That's not good.
310.
305.
So 5.
2 flights, man.
Yeah, everyone add each other. We're gonna make a group chat.
Yeah, here, everyone just add me. I'll make a group chat.
All right. Here, I sent a request.
Oh my God, I just got like 4 friends requests in like 5 seconds. I'm gonna go accept them real quick. Go ahead and accept them real quick.
I'm gonna get behind because the contrails are really bothering me. I'm gonna get right behind the Trump Force One. Yo, Trump Force One, you see me? I'm trying to sniff your ass.
Copy.
Waiting room, okay. Oh,
I need
didn't
everyone to
realize
DM me
it's-
hi. Everyone DM me hi. Like just like the word hi.
Trump Force 1, do you have the field in sight?
Trump Force 1 A-firm, but we're still gonna have to orbit it. Very high.
Trump Force 1, you're on a 7-mile final. You should be able to descend to a lower altitude in 7 miles. Just reduce your airspeed to 210 knots, and then I'll just give you a long clearance to land. So runway 01, wind variable at 12 knots from you're clear to land.
Roger, clear land 01, Winston Lodge, Trump Force 1, cheers.
Right. We're clear to land. I'll just continue to control an ATC 2. Make sure that no one gets on my runway. Make sure most people stay out of the airspace, and then
I'm gonna go left again.
if anything
Yeah,
happens,
Trump
I'll
Force One, what's your speed?
I'll join.
270, left 270, I'm going.
Okay, because I was passing you. The only reason I'm here because I snuck in. Oh my god, bro. How am I passing you?
Wait, 210 knots.
210?
I'm gonna
And
go
go
circle the
18
airport. Escort
go
lead, I'm
180
break.
knots.
This is escort lead. I'm breaking off to go circle the airport to check for surroundings, just to check for enemy planes and stuff. Just for roleplay,
Copy
because why
that.
not?
Escort
Yeah.
lead, this escort 5. Can I confirm which aircraft I should be following? Because I'm currently
Follow me.
following.
Well, you'll be my wingman.
I acknowledged escort 5.
Pass, you almost killed me.
Yeah, don't be my literal wing, but you can become my wingman.
And I'm gonna
We're gonna do manual control. Oh, guys, remember turn on your lights. I completely forgot. Remember turn on your lights for your plane.
Once I go 090, maybe I can. Yeah, we can approach now. That's good.
Gonna do a whole
Is the tower still in this? Is the tower still in this?
No, he's doing
Noise
waiting
control.
room. Waiting room.
Copy.
Okay.
Can someone go
Controller
warn him that we're
2.8.
gonna be circling his airport? Copy.
They're circling the airspace. Roger that. Yeah, we noticed that. And we understand that you guys are military operations, so we know what you guys are doing, and you guys are good to do this. There's just one commercial 37 parked.
Yeah, I have been holding here for 20 minutes now because of it.
Reiner 1228. If can I get you like an IFR clearance or anything?
No, we're still waiting.
Okay, cool.
It's fine, bro.
Yeah, tell him that he could take off. Tell him that Reiner could take off. Because it was stuff. Wait, where are you guys?
I'm on approach, bro.
I'm right behind Trump Force right now.
I don't even see where you guys are.
Rose said
Escort
racist.
4 is literally following lead.
Death to the racist. That's How do you know, bro?
Yeah,
I'm right
facts.
behind
What way are you guys
one.
approaching from? What heading are you guys approaching
01.
from?
01
The
heading
ocean.
to it. 0,
0 on what?
We're going 0
Heading
1 0
0, 0, 8.
0 0
Okay, I see you guys.
yeah.
I see you guys.
That's the chart.
All right. 2 escorts. We're gonna come back and join the formation.
Roger
I'm
that.
going
Oh, I see
speed
you
1
guys.
through.
150 for Eurofighter. I'm right behind Trump Force 1 currently.
All escorts. Get ready for landing.
Affirm.
Escort
Oh
5,
wait, the
Escort 4
escorts are
joining
landing
formation.
too.
Yeah, escorts are landing at the same time, right?
Yes. I'm behind him right now.
Trump
So
1, stay speed.
Everyone reduced to 150 knots. All even Eurofighters. Everyone reduced to 150 knots.
yeah, that's what I'm at. 150
150
currently.
knots, Escort 5, Escort 4.
This is actually a beautiful approach.
Yeah.
I'm joining in right now. Oh, you're down. Here. Go down. Crap. Sorry.
Bro, classified the system.
I think they're a bit angry because he ground swapped them.
Oh my god. This is nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
And Escort 4 is struggling to turn.
Seriously.
Oh my god, this is nice.
Wait, you ready? Here comes escort lead. You ready? Escort lead. I'm almost
What is
there.
this guy doing?
Okay. 10 FPM,
Yo,
bro.
wait,
That's all me, bro.
you ready?
That's all me, bro. 10 FPM.
Yo,
That
you
was
ready, boys?
not-
You ready?
What the fuck?
Yo, boys, you ready? You ready?
Guys.
Wait. Oh my god.
Do you see me? I'm stuck.
Dang.
What happened?
I'm going to the end of the runway.
Yeah, same.
Oh, I may need.
Alright, ladies. Bring him back, bro.
Wait. Flight lead.
Yeah.
Can I please get a new aircraft? I literally cannot move.
We're about
Yeah,
to
go
finish
ahead.
off anyways, bro.
Yeah, we're about to finish anyway, yeah. We'll just take a little wedge formation photo.
Okay, all stations, all stations. Welcome to Minorca. You can all the way you had planned to, so that is via Tango and then Delta to the General Aviation hangar.
Alright.
So just taxi over there. We have an aircraft landing shortly, so if you guys wouldn't mind clearing out the runway, it would be greatly appreciated.
Yeah, no worries. Cheers.
Yep. Lead, could you give me a pink username once I'm in?
Yeah.
Oh my god, lead.
Alright.
Bro, can we get like
We'll go to the GA ramp.
Yeah. But we also gotta make sure everyone's here and that shot guy. And that shot guy is not here.
Yeah.
Apparently I'm racist, but he's flying with me.
Gotta be gone.
I'm racist now, guys. I've been promoted to racist.
Wow.
I think so, yeah.
Mm.
Alright, everyone all lights on, even landing lights.
It's gonna make it look like Jesus, bro. If you put all the lights on. escort gang. Where do you want me to park? I'll just do a U-turn here, bro.
Are you
Actually,
recording a video? You're kidding
I
me.
was.
All right,
I
wait.
have-
Do we have
I
4?
have-
All right, perfect. We have 4. All right. So we're gonna get
I'm
2 on each side in like a little like triangle area.
Alright.
Here, I'll show you guys kind of. Hold on. Air Force 1, just like stay there. Just like don't move. Just don't move. Trust me. Just trust me. Just trust me. All
Are
right,
you
so we're
following
gonna
me?
have a wedge formation. We're gonna have a wedge formation. So it's literally a triangle, but there's no end. So we have 4 people, right? All right, perfect. So everyone, so there's gonna be 2 on each wing, and make it like a triangle. So I'm gonna park my plane right here. Right. All right. So Smart, come right here. Put your plane right here. All right. Put your plane where
Yeah.
I'm jumping. Right. Put like a little triangle. All right. I'm gonna direct you guys. All right. Patch, come here. Patch, put your plane right here.
Look at this beautiful Eva.
Yo, Patch, put your plane right here.
Tell me when to stop.
And stop. And then the other guys, put it right here. And keep going and stop. Perfect.
Oh, this
Just
guy
Okay,
align
perfect.
it more. Like make it more straight.
Yeah,
The
wait.
plane. Make it more straight.
Ooh,
Okay.
what?
All right, wait. All right, now everyone come do that thing, but with your aircrafts how they are. Like Saza, go on like Saza. All right,
What?
like how you guys are. So Smart, come like. Wait, hold on, wait 1 second, guys. Wait 1 second. All right, and on 3, I want everyone to hold down to you. 3, 2, 1. All right, now everyone should be out of their aircraft. All right, everyone come up. So we're gonna all how your airplane is on Saza.
Alright.
I'm kind of big, to be honest.
Yeah, come on, go jump on the plane. Go jump on the plane. Go jump on the plane.
Doesn't have collision.
How's this? How's this? How's this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect.
Alright,
Perfect.
Bit of a messy formation.
it's fine. It's
Oh,
fine.
be quick, be quick. The shot guy is coming. Good. What the fuck?
I got the picture.
You guys might want to move up to the left and right a little bit. You can't really see me forward.
All right, wait. Everyone go stand in front of your aircraft. Everyone go stand in front of your aircraft now.
All right, bro. Be quick though. Be quick.
Fast. All right, someone take the picture. Bro, this classified dude, get out of here. Someone, yeah, thank you. Let's go.
Oh, I have to avoid the plane now. This is in it.
All right, ladies.
Good.
Wonderful, mate.
All right, let's see it. Send him.
Let's go.
You guys have that GUI buggy?
Move. Sasha, come back. Sasha.
What?
Come back. Quick.
Where?
Yo, lead and
There
Falcon
you go,
2.
Sasha.
Your plane's gonna respawn in 20 seconds.
Yeah, I know.
It's fine.
All right.
Avoid the plane, guys. Avoid the plane.
Yeah.
There we go, ladies.
I have so many.
Someone's gonna have to
clips right now.
respawn this. Someone's gonna have to respawn.
Sure.
Kick him. He's gonna keep it.
This is too big.
Bro thinks it's going somewhere.
Just teleport him out.
Holy
What
shit!
the flip?
Bro thinks it's going somewhere.
I'm taking my plane back.
Yeah,
I'm trying to
I
get
got
right
one
now.
picture. There's something.
Sasha, let's throw it in the ocean.
Yeah. Just do that. Just do that.
Throw it in the ocean.
Yeah.
I will take your
Okay.
planes. Go throw them in the ocean. Everyone go take them planes.
I think this should be good, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Nice. Good job, boys. That was a W. That was a W thing.
W.
Yeah. Beautiful.
All right, bet. Someone just plan it.
Planet. Yeah. Yes.
Not yet.
I'm going
I
to
have it
Maine
in
soon.
September.
I'm going to Maine soon.
I'm following Patch in my free cam right now.
We gotta dish the plane into the ocean,
Let's
right?
go.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, they just crashed.
Jet's got W res.
Oh, I don't know what. How did I even save that? Okay, cool. Yay. Oh, you guys should have free time, mate. Like, I literally did like so many loops before I fall into that.
I'm gonna do circuits.
This was a 2-hour 30